Hey Jeremiah, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier today. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be really briefly showing you three things, or the most important things, of when you're building out your website, what you have to do so it not only looks good, but it's actually being seen and providing you traffic. So I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was actually giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. So main three things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. When I'm talking about content, I'm going to bring up your competition's website. Your competition is Hardwick Fence, because we type in fence company St. Augustine. Superior Fence Rail and Hardwick Fence are the first two. Superior Fence Rail is a trade. I see them in Charleston, Pensacola, Jacksonville, St. Augustine, Fort Myers. I see them everywhere. So we're going to do Hardwick. All right. Hardwick's website looks like this. Looks pretty good, right? Everything's organized. They're organically up front. And they have 578 words on their homepage. But where you really want to be at when building out your website is at least 1,500 words on the homepage. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through the website looking for keywords. And the more content you have on your website, the more they crawl looking for those keywords. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So keywords I'm talking about is anything from fence company of St. Augustine Fence Company, fence installation St. Augustine, fence repair St. Augustine, wood fence St. Augustine fence contractors, etc. So anything with that is tailored to your niche and service area is considered a keyword for your website. All right. So the second thing I want to talk about is backlinks. All right. And I'm bringing up my tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a paid tool, I will say, but you can find other tools for free like SEO Quick or SEMrush, etc. Those are a couple of free tools. I just like to use Ahrefs because it's organically the most accurate, and I'm a digital marketer, so I need it. All right. So they come up with 56 referring domains, 182 backlinks. What is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins the number one organic spot. So however, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting relevancy to your industry, and local websites work best for that. The relevancy is so incredibly important because that's what tells Google where to send your website once you already have those keywords implemented into it. The best explanation I could give for a backlink with relevancy is kind of like, would you rather be on the cover of Best Fence USA, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Best Fence, 100%, because you have nothing to do with pizzas, right? So that's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about backlinks. And just when I'm in my Ahrefs account, I'm going to go over to their keywords to show you some examples of what they're ranking for. If it'll load. Let's see. Perfect. So, Fence Company St. Augustine, 60 searches a month. 4. Fence Company St. Augustine, Fence Installation St. Augustine. So, you can see these are some pretty high volume keywords, and the keyword difficulty, that's what KD stands for, is relatively low. So, it shouldn't be, it shouldn't take that long to rank for. All right. So, that's what I was talking about keywords. This third thing I wanted to go over was citations. The citations is how you get ranked in this map pack. Now, I found you on the second page, middle of the second page, which isn't bad. All right. But we don't want you just on the first page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for Fence Company St. Augustine or Fence Installation St. Augustine, and they pass this ad group right here, they see your company or your website here and here already. All right, you're already on their mind. So how do you get ranked in this map pack? Like I said, through citations, but what is a citation? Anything with what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number. Anywhere you put your name, address, or phone number is included as a citation. These citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for them to rank you. All right. So just to go back over the 3 things we talked about today. So when you're getting your website built out, whether it's me, whether it's somebody else, whether it's your friend Jacob, Joseph, or Cameron that's building your website, make sure they're doing these 3 things, or else your website is just going to be there because you have to have one for a business. All right. This is going to help you generate leads through your website. So content. Implement at least 1,500 words on those on that homepage at least, and implement a lot of these high volume, low KD words that you see here. Another good trick I like to do is actually, if you go to a picture, you can save an image under a keyword. So like this will pop up as white vinyl fence -4-600 X400. Okay, so that should be saved under Fence Company St. Augustine, Florida, Fence Installation St. Augustine. All right. The second thing was backlinks. So when you guys have your website built out, you need to implement good, relevant backlinks to your site to show Google that you are the authority and you deserve that #1 spot in Google. All right. And the third thing was citations. So you need about 200 of these bad boys to be untouchable in this map pack. If you have 200 citations and your GMB or GBB is utilized absolutely correctly, you'll be in this 100% 1 or 2 spot. All right. So this is literally what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help start generating leads online. If you do find yourself looking to scale and wanting to take this step, please give me a call. My number is 904-383-8479. My doors are always open. Like I said, my name is Josh. I hope this video helped you, and have a great day.